Have a good day, Madam and Sir. I am Lisa Thomas. I am 41 years old. I am married. I am blessed with 3 kids, 1 girl, 2 boys. I have 7 years working experience as a domestic helper in Kuwait and Doha, Qatar. My main duties and responsibilities is taking care of the kids, doing household chores like general cleaning, washing and ironing clothes, marketing, groceries, cooking, gardening, sewing, and sometimes washing car. Madam and Sir, I am promise, I am hardworking, fast listening, trustworthy, honest, and kind. And I can do my work alone. And also, I can do to take care of the newborn baby, adult, and the elderly. Madam and Sir, if you heard me, I am promise I will do my best to serve your family and I always follow the rules and regulations in your house. Madam and Sir, thank you.